Hello, I'm Mrs. Mitchell, and I'm going to help you today learning how to type accents on your Chromebook for foreign language using this U.S. International Keyboard. I promise nothing complicated. This is very simple to do, and it's going to be really helpful if you need to type accents without doing a bunch of codes. So maybe these are some of the accents you'll be trying to type. No matter your language, you need accents. And so today I'll help you to do that, even the ones with the hat accent over here, an umlaut in German or a tréma in French, the ñ for Spanish. That's our objective. So the first step is kind of change the settings on the Chromebook. At the bottom right-hand corner of the screen where you see your time on your Chromebook, click that, and a little box should appear. You need to see, you'll see your name here, but you need to click the settings button, and then it'll open a whole new window for your settings. Scroll to the bottom of this settings page and click the blue Show Advanced Settings link that's over on the left-hand side of your page. You'll need to scroll even further down until you see Languages. So if you keep scrolling, then all of a sudden you see Languages here. We need to click this gray Language and Input Settings box so that we can tell it we want to change it. So you should see that your Chromebook has English selected and the US keyboard selected. We're not going to add any new languages to the Chromebook because then that's just going to completely change around the order of some of the letters on the keyboard, making it really difficult to type. So let's not do that. Instead, we want to select this US International Keyboard. Click the box here, and then it should show that you have US keyboard and US International Keyboard selected. Once you've done that, click Done at the bottom corner. And you can close out of this window completely. So open up a Google Doc so that we can actually practice typing these accents. I'm going to walk you through some of that. First, once you've clicked the Google Doc, you need to tell your Chromebook you want to use the new keyboard setting. So go back to the time slot here where we changed the settings, click it, and now on the screen, you should all of a sudden see where it says US and what look like little keys. If you click that, then you need to select US International, and you can do that by clicking it once again. That'll go away, and you're back to your Google Doc. So if you need the accent to go to the right, as you see with these letters here, you're going to click the apostrophe on your keyboard and then the letter you need. So let's practice. Click the apostrophe and then the A, for example. Apostrophe E, apostrophe I, and it continues. It's very simple. If you're in French and you need a little squiggly, the CD on the C, you do apostrophe C. If you need your accent to go the other way, you need to find the tilde key that looks like this. This is the far left-hand corner of your keyboard by the 1 key. Click that and the letter you need, and now your accents are going the other way. That works for most vowels that you would need the accents on. If you need the little caret to go over your letter here, like you do in French and in other languages, you have to get the caret symbol to show up. So to do that, you click Shift and then 6 on your keyboard, let go, and then click the letter you need after. So that works for all of those, really. The last accent you'll probably need is this, the 2 dots over the letter, which exists both in French and in German, for sure. You would need to click the Shift apostrophe key as if you were making a quotation mark and then the letter that you need. So you're actually Shift apostrophe, letting go, and clicking the letter. In Spanish, if you need the ñ, which I know you often do, this one's easier. You're just clicking Alt-N, and then it'll appear for you. If you need any of these accented letters in capitals, you're going to treat it just like you would a regular capital. So you would do the accent. So let's say we want the apostrophe over the E. We want it to go to the right again like we did earlier in this section. You'd click apostrophe, but now instead of just clicking E, I'm going to hit Shift E, and then I get it on a capital letter. The same goes for all the other accents. I would follow the same steps, but now adding a shift before the letter I need. Hopefully that'll help you with your classes as you're doing that. And remember, you can do this in any other document you're working in. Let's say you're typing an email, you can still follow these codes so long as you have told your Chromebook to use the international setting. If ever you want to change it back, that's simple. You just go back down here and you can remove it. But it's pretty easy to work either way. So thank you for your time. Good luck with your accents.